Okay, before I start this video, I'm going to tell you I'm going to be having another live stream. And you're all going to be watching this live stream because anybody who watches is going to get something very special emailed from me to you. I'll let you know when I mail out to all my book bundles when the stream is. If you don't know how to get there, believe me, you want to find out how to get there, and you can get there on my YouTube channel under live streams. Don't miss this next live stream. We're going to have a lot of fun. We're going to be talking back and forth and doing some really awesome things. Coming up soon, look out for the email. Hello everyone, Mike Mixon from Keyboardamerica.com here in Lewis Beach, Delaware. Welcome to this week's Songs of the Week and Buttons class for Genos, PSR, CVP, and Tyros. We're going to have a great time with two great Irish tunes. And of course, this is in Book Bundle 3. So if you don't have Bundle 3, you can go to my Book Bundles page or my Video Lessons page, and you can purchase one song or both. And of course, you're going to get my custom music with all the settings on it and everything you need to do throughout the whole song. You're also going to get the setting emailed to you so you don't have to go through the setup. And I'm going to record it as a Midi file so you can do all kinds of things of that, and that's going to come out to you too. So let's take a look at the music now for these two great Irish tunes, just in time for St. Paddy's Day. Okay, so here's our two great songs, When Irish Eyes Are Smiling and My Wild Irish Rose. Now we're going to put them, this is Bundle 3, so we're on Genos Bank 13, registration number 2. On the PSR-SX900, it's Bank 16, registration 2. And Bundle 3. You're going to see which intro to use here. Everything will be on the music for you. Remember, learn to play the right chord inversions for every song, because it does make a difference for what the style sounds like and how easy it is to go from one chord to the next. And of course, you already know you hold the red notes down to get to the next chord. Okay, let's get to the setup for this song for you guys who don't have any book bundles. But anyhow, Irish Pipes Dance is volume 127, and Keno String Violins is 100, and that's on OTS number 2. Now we're starting with OTS 2, however we are going to use OTS 1. We'll take a look at that real quick because we're not going to change the variation, we're just going to change the OTS when we go to the next song. We've got a Scots accordion and a mandolin tremolo. And the Scots accordion is at 90 and the mandolin tremolo is at 122. Now the harmony arpeggiator button is on, so I'm going to hit my direct access and my harmony arpeggio, and you can see it's on standard duet. When I hit the toolbox, you can also see it's on right 2. So you want to make that change. Now I'll be sending you out the user style, so for some of you, you won't have to do any of this work. Also on OTS 3, we have the Scots accordion at same setting as we had on 2, with the exception of we've got the harmony arpeggiator button on again. And here's the harmony standard duet 1, and that's on auto. So that's good there. Now we're going to exit out of there, go to OTS 4, bright trumpet at 100, golden trumpet at 100, and warp pop horns at 100. And we have our harmony arpeggiator on block chord, and that is on right 2 as well. So they're your OTS settings for this song. Now, if you have my USB and my style setting, your assignable buttons are pre-programmed because that's the way I have it set. So assignable A, you can see it's the tracks. So if you're using my Midi file to play along with, you can just turn off track 1, and guess what? You can just play the right hand and I'll do everything else for you in the background. But depends on your playing. On B, I have the score. You'll see the chord is up here. Now when you get my Midi file, it's going to show you all the grace notes I played. What do I mean by grace notes? All the extra fancy notes that I played. So you can practice that and have the music right on the screen for you there. Okay, we're all zoomed out and ready to go, and here's the final product. And you can see it says When Irish Eyes Are Smiling, but both songs are going to be in here. So let's take a listen to our finished product. we go with a little Irish melody. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this week's lesson, and you'll enjoy everything when you're playing these chords easier. I hope you pay attention to my left hand all the time, because the right chord inversion is important with styles. With the sound of the style, you'd be surprised what a difference it makes when you're playing the right chord inversion. And also, you can see I make it look easy, right? Well, that's because my fingers are in the right place, and even if you have your own chords down pat, it's always good to learn and play around with it. Next week, we're doing one of my favorite songs ever. It's a duplicate from Tyros. It was a request from one of you guys out there. Tenderly. Tenderly is beautiful, and we're going to play it tenderly. It's going to be absolutely beautiful with a new style, and I'll tell you, it's one of my favorite tunes of all time. So if you want to purchase this week's music, that's all you have to purchase. You can purchase one song or both on my book bundles page and on my video lessons page, and you get everything right with it, including when you set it up. I would advise you putting it in a new bank. So this is something new that we're doing with this digital retailer, so you can actually create your own banks and choose the songs you want to purchase one at a time with no shipping, which is really, really great because you're getting the lessons for free, you're getting the user style setting for free, you're getting the Midi file for free, and you are learning how to play chords the right way. So until next time, this is Mike Mixon saying have a great day, keep playing, and I'll see you very soon.